What's going on, people? In today's video I'll be showing you how to live stream your DJI FPV flights from your iPhone DJI flight app straight onto TikTok. Now, first thing you want to do is power up all your gear. Ensure that in your goggles you can see the goggle feed from your drone, which I can. The next step I'm going to do is plug in my goggles to my phone or the device I want to stream on, whether that be in an iPad or an iPhone. And on the DJI flight app at the bottom right, the connection guide does turn to blue, which is go fly, which means I'm all clear. As you can see, just like the drone, like you're seeing the drone feed as I'm moving it around. And next thing I will show you, now with streaming, you want to put your phone in do not disturb, because the last thing you want is a notification from your ex popping up on your TikTok live. Very embarrassing. So first thing I'm going to do, put that into do not disturb. I mean, whether you want to or not, that's up to you, but that's just the first tip. The second tip, Tickfinity needs to be downloaded on your phone, and the reason why, I'll get into it later. So now that I'm connected, first thing I'm going to do is go over to TikTok live, and if you're watching this, I'm guessing you have the option to live stream, so we're not going to get into the option and the requirements. This is just a brief video. So what I'm going to do is go over to my account. Once I'm on my account, I'm going to select the post feature, and on the post, when you're on the post, you want to swipe all the way down to the right, live stream. And then when you go into live stream, you should be prompted with your device's camera. Now from the device camera, you want to swipe all the way to the right to mobile gaming. Now it sounds a bit mad, mobile gaming, but the reason why we're going to use the mobile gaming live stream feature, because with mobile gaming it enhances you to screen record your screen. So because we have the DJI Flight app open, we are going to screen record everything from the DJI Flight app straight to the TikTok live stream. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go live. I've already set up the Tickfinity app, which is the TikTok live alerts. Because I am flying my drone, I do not have the chance to look at the screen and interact with followers. So that's why the Tickfinity is going to be used, because the Tickfinity is going to read out all the comments and alerts. I've now gone live. So what I'm going to next do is open the Tickfinity app. So once you're logged up and you're logged in, the app should look something like this. You want to have your sound alerts on and your text to speech. You want to start your text to speech. Once it notices you're live, the app will automatically connect. So now that I've connected, at this point you may want to have headphones on or Bluetooth earphones for when you're flying, you can hear the live audio. So now that I'm connected up, I'm going to go back onto my live stream. I can see my live is still running. Then what I do there, I now just go over back onto DJI Fly. As you can see, there I am live streaming my DJI goggles feed. Once again, if that helped you, or you've been considering how to live stream from your DJI FPV gear, I hope this video helped you. And if it did, leave a like, subscribe for more real world drone tips, and if anything, drop all your comments down below in the comments.